This short video tutorial shows you how to subscribe an examinee to a module, or a type if you are working with a type training database. You must register all examinees to the respective module if they are to take any exam in that module. We show you how to subscribe an individual examinee to a module, how to register an entire class of examinees to a module, and how to unsubscribe selected examinees in the event that you need to generate a resit exam for a partial class of examinees. After logging into the QB generator, scroll to the Active Examinees panel. This panel shows you which examinees are subscribed to each module. It also shows you in which class is the examinee, and the date range in which the examinee is subscribed. The red X indicates that the examinee is not currently logged into any computer terminal on the system. If a green tick replaces the red X, the examinee is currently logged into a computer terminal and taking an exam. If you need to generate an exam for any examinee, or any class of examinees, and they are not shown on this panel for the module in which you want to generate an exam, then you must subscribe them. Here we show you how. Click on People, and select Examinees. Select the examinee that you want to subscribe to a module. If you want to subscribe an entire class to a module, click on any of the examinees within that class. Here we demonstrate by subscribing the entire class of 2023, consisting of 2 examinees, to Module 1. If necessary, we can filter by class, to isolate the class of 2023. We select Edit for any of the members of the class of 2023. The examinee's profile page opens. Select the Subscription tab. Click the Click to Subscribe button for Module 1. A pop-up opens showing a calendar. Select the end date for the subscription. You can select any date in the future. You may select a date immediately after the exam date, or you may prefer to select the end of the trainee's entire program of study, in 1 or 2 years, as applicable. You can close the calendar and select one of the pre-select durations from the drop-down list. If you want to subscribe everyone else in the same class of 2023 in this case, put a tick in the checkbox labeled Subscribe the entire class of 2023. Click Go to activate the subscription. Back on the subscriptions page, the subscription for this examinee is now indicated. The green tick indicates that the status of the subscription is currently active. When the subscription is expired, the green tick is replaced by a red dash, indicating that the subscription is expired. If you need to adjust or extend the subscription period, click on the edit icon. You can change the date of the subscription. You can also reopen a subscription that has expired. This is necessary if the examinee fails the exam and must take a resit exam at a future date. Alternatively, you can set up a new subscription for this event. When we return to the home page, we see that the 2 members of the class of 2023 are now subscribed to Module 1. We can now proceed to generate an exam for the class of 2023. When you need to generate an exam for a partial class, for example, just one member of a class, perhaps for a resit exam, you can unsubscribe those members of the class for whom you do not wish to be included in the exam. Click on the name of each examinee that you want to exclude, and in the Subscriptions tab, you change the expiry date for the subscription to a date in the past. This unsubscribes the respective examinee. When all that remains are those examinees for whom you do want to generate an exam, you can proceed to generate the exam. When you generate an exam for a partial class, you get a warning to this effect. If you are sure that you want to proceed to generate an exam for the partial class, you can ignore the warning and proceed.